Welcome to Ocean Breeze Tortuga on the beautiful Caribbean island of Bonaire. Experience the serene beauty and comfort of Ocean Breeze Tortuga, a stunning apartment within the secure and water-rich resort of Ocean Breeze Bonaire. Enjoy breathtaking views over the Laguna Marina with direct access to the Caribbean Sea and all conveniences within reach. Enjoy the proximity to Kralendijk, the coziness of Sebastian's restaurant, and the relaxation at TMO Beach and Donkey Beach all nearby. This apartment forms the perfect mix of adventure and serenity, characteristic of Bonaire. This tastefully decorated apartment features one bedroom with a comfortable queen-size bed and an en-suite bathroom. The open kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, perfect for a home-cooked meal. The covered terrace offers breathtaking views of the Laguna Marina, perfect for relaxing evenings or an early morning with coffee and a view.